お姉さんも殺しておこうかな。殺してこんな私両親から。
Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. So today we are reviewing Majo no Tabi Tabi, both the anime and the light novel. I will be telling you guys should you watch the anime and read the light novel, and tell you guys what I thought about this series after watching and reading both the anime and the light novel. Before we get into the review, if you are new to my channel, please consider subscribing to my channel, as I will be uploading anime videos and reviews just like this. And with that out of the way, let's get into the review, shall we?
綺麗なさ。
So first of all, let me tell you a little bit about this series. So the story follows our protagonist Elena. Since childhood, she has been fascinated by the stories written in a book by Nike. She was a witch who wrote about her travels around the world. Now Elena wants to experience those adventures for herself. So she decides to become a witch herself to go on one of her own journeys. And after facing many trials, she eventually becomes a full-fledged witch at the age of 14, earning her the title of the youngest witch in history. And after becoming a witch, she embarks on her long-awaited journey, where she meets new people and learns about their stories while experiencing both the bright and the dark side of the world. The series introduces new characters with every next chapter you read and watch, making it a series that doesn't introduce the same character ever again. Though I say that, but there are a few exceptions, like Saya, whom Elena helps in becoming an apprentice witch, and Elena's teacher Flan. As this goes without saying that we don't get to see the same character ever again, as the story is about Elena's journey as she travels one place to another without staying in a place for too long.
人を殺すのってこんなに楽しいんだもの。許さない。もっと刺しておけばよかった。セレナ
The series has plenty of dark stories as it shifts from light-hearted and cheery stories to dark stories very quick. Well, I can't get into much detail of that as it would be considered as spoilers. The anime adapts first 3 volumes in the light novel series and then special story from the volume 5, while also skipping many chapters from the first 3 volumes. And yes, the chapters that were skipped are pretty important in later on story. So yes, you have to read the light novel to find that out.
私はただの旅人、ただの魔女、未熟で何もできないで。
Though I think those chapters will get adapted in the second season, as we did get a post-credit scene of Amnesia. And to those who are curious about Amnesia, I would recommend going and checking out the volume 4 of the light novel series. It is unfortunate that only the 4 volumes of the light novel series have gotten English translated when the Japanese version is on the 15th volume.
もう本当に可愛くて可愛くて可愛くて可愛くて可愛くて可愛くて可愛くてたまらないの。もう姉さんが大好きで大好きで大好きで大好きで大好きで大好きで大好きで大好きで大好きなの。だからお願い、私と。
I think the anime is a great adaptation of the light novel, and you guys should definitely check this out if you haven't already. As we don't get as many animes with a female protagonist, this one is definitely one of the amazing ones. Though most of the stories in the series are comedy and light-hearted, we have plenty of dark and psychological stories too. So if you are looking for something dark, Majo no Tabi Tabi got you covered.
ちょっとお主。お主じゃよ、お主。そこの可愛い魔女のお嬢さん。
もしかしなくても僕のことですね。
So in conclusion, I will say just this: if you are not watching this anime, you are missing out, as we don't get animes like this very often. And if you like to read manga and light novels and stuff like that, then you should really check out the light novel for this series, as it has been written from Elena's perspective, so we get to know more about her character and her personality as we read every chapter. The writing and humor in this is pretty good, as you will be laughing a lot while you are reading this.
あなたとの思い出なんかいらない。全部いらない。 あなたごと全部なくなってしまえばいい。あなたなんてさよならセレナ。
I give this series a solid 9 out of 10 and will recommend you guys to watch this anime, and also you guys should read the light novel. That concludes my review for the series Majo no Tabi Tabi. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing to my channel, as I will be uploading more anime reviews and anime videos just like this one. And also you can follow me on Instagram, as I upload every anime and manga news there, and if you guys wanna be keep on updated on everything anime, then follow me there. The link is in the description. And as always, thanks for watching.
Can't stop what you don't see coming.